because you, my subscribers, have been curious enough to want to know what cryptocurrencies I have invested in this year of 2021. I will be giving you a breakdown of the cryptocurrencies that I own, as well as the various wallets or exchanges on which I store them. Keep watching to the end to see a complete list of all my cryptocurrency holdings. If you haven't already done so, do please take a moment to subscribe to my channel so you can get similar content as soon as I upload them to help you on your trading journey. I would also appreciate a like. Now, I have left a referral link in the description box below in the event that you decide to open an account with any of the featured exchanges or wallets in this video. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First, my holdings on GEMINI Exchange, which just shows my cryptocurrency holdings and what percentage each cryptocurrency makes up of my total portfolio. You can also use GEMINI Earn to lock your cryptocurrencies up and earn interest at the same time. Following are the interest rates that GEMINI Earn give you on your coins as at the recording of this video. Celsius is a cryptocurrency wallet on which I store some of my crypto coins and earn interest in so doing. You can not only earn interest on your coins on Celsius, but you can also borrow money using your coins as collateral at a very low, highly competitive rate. Similar to Celsius, NEXO is also a cryptocurrency wallet on which I keep some of my crypto holdings and earn interest against them. Following are the coins that are supported by the NEXO wallet and the interest rates that you can earn. You can also take out a loan using your coins as collateral. If you want to increase the interest rate paid out to you, then all you need to do is to own NEXO's native token, NEXO, which automatically adds on an extra 2% interest on your earnings. Voyager, which doubles up as a cryptocurrency exchange and wallet, is another app that I use to store some of my crypto coins. They support the following crypto assets: owning the Voyager's native coin VGX allows you earn 7% interest rewards on your holdings. You get cashback rewards on your trades, and by holding the VGX token, you can increase your interest earnings by an extra 1.5%. And now here's a complete list of all my cryptocurrency assets. Well, that's all, folks. I hope you've learned something from this video. And if you have, the only thing I ask is that you hit that like button, comment below, because I do use your comments to better inform me of what other content to create. Share with your friends and family. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, but most importantly, don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you get my videos as soon as I upload them. And I'll meet you in the next video.